everybody. Happy Tuesday. Happy St. Patrick's Day. How you doing? How you doing? How are you doing? Good luck of the Irish to you. If it came out like I was saying that way, I didn't mean to. But it's a beautiful day, but it's cool and cold. So don't take it for granted. I've got a lot of stuff to do. Plus, I've got physical therapy in about an hour. So I got to get going. Be well, be safe, and just be, and enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. If you guys are going to be in the parade or you're going to get drinks, be careful. Be careful, be careful, be careful, because you're not the only one. And just remember the hangover that's going to come over tomorrow, unless you're off all week. But a lot of people aren't. Be careful. Be well, be safe, and just be. Enjoy your day. The luck of the Irish to you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Have a wonderful, great St. Patrick's Day. Bye.